Hey guys, you're watching Large Scale RC. This is Malik. So I got a new package delivered from Detroit Performance, USA. You can see it's a Taylor 35cc engine. I'm about to unbox it. See, I got a camera in my one hand, so I'm gonna try my best not to move the camera. Stay still. Voila, right there. Look at that new piece of engineering. Look at that. Gonna pull it out. Got a Detroit sticker in here. Pull this out. So this the Taylor 35cc small block. They came out with this engine because they want everybody to try Taylor RC engines. Mike Taylor, he's the founder, and he's the one manufacturing these engines. So the reason why this one came out as a 35cc, so you can go for any 1.5 RC application. You can install this engine into any kind of 1.5 scale gasoline. Anyone. I mean, if you go for the FG, Red Cat, Low C, Kraken, whatever 1.5 scale you guys have, you can install this engine into it. It's a direct fitment. There are no alterations or anything to like Dremel, the metal parts, and so it looks wonderful. Mike Taylor did a good job on this engine. You guys can see the finishing on this product. This is the insulator. Oh yeah, I got this with this engine. I got a 990 Rooster Tail carburetor. So I'm gonna think about it. In which car should I go for?